What's up, everyone? So check it out. How many of you Rivian owners have actually tried to hit your horn? If you haven't, do it. You're gonna be really surprised how cute it is. So I'm gonna play a clip for you of mine right now. That's how cute it is. It reminds me of being in Europe in a little Fiat or something and just hitting that cute little horn. We couldn't stand for it. In fact, we even tried to honk the horn, and I had a buddy of mine outside the Rivian listening, and he could barely hear it. So just imagine in movement what it sounds like. Well, fortunately, there is an aftermarket solution for this dilemma. So if you guys want a horn that actually suits the size of your Rivian, we have one for you, and this is it. Now, there are a couple things you'll have to be aware of. Rivian has changed the position of our horns multiple times. To my knowledge, as of right now, there might be like 3 configurations or more. You'll have, sometimes they'll be on the grill, sometimes they'll be in your fender of the passenger side. You might have one horn on the driver's side, you might have one horn on each side, or you might just have one horn somewhere on the passenger side. Regardless of all of that, the important thing when you're ordering a horn from us is that you know if it is in fact on the passenger side only. If so, then you will need to order the option for the passenger side because it'll come with an additional harness, this one here, so that it can be extended over to that side. But that's pretty much it. We're just gonna get this thing in the Rivian. We're gonna show you guys a time lapse of that installation, and then we're gonna show you how loud it is afterwards. But yeah, this is pretty much what it is. You got a cool little bracket, you got your horn, got a little tool to pull some clips out. And without further ado, let's go show you the install on the Rivian. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you guys are interested in this product, it is in stock. We do have installation packages as well. I will share all of that in the description below. And I'll also share a link to our video here where we actually did our first set of mods on the Rivian. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. What's up? All right, guys, about to get rid of this weak horn. It's like I'm in Europe. Let's put on a real horn. 80 decibels. Now let's hear a stock one. Oh, it's like a Fiat. Oh, huge difference. Well, there you go, guys. Real horn for a real truck from real people. If you guys want one, grab one from our website. The link is in the description below. And get yourself a real horn. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.